Welcome to Untitled Chapter, where we shoot random things in the wild. We have came across some test humans. I don't think they seem so happy. Let's snipe them. Saboosh, shabash. Let's go kill them all the other ones. Saboosh. Let's try and find the last hiding one. Here's one. Slaboosh. Slabash. Hello everyone, it's BFG 2. Today we are gonna be we're gonna be reviewing the BFG. It also stands for the big you know word gun. Haha, very funny. Let's see if I can shoot this guy. Ow. 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 Oh god. So I don't think this thing has a silence. Yeah, I tested the only two barrels. There's no silencer on this thing. Ah. If I can't hit you, I'll have to show the stats. It's still showing the stats anyways. 0 to 2 meters is equal to 200 damage. The farthest you can go. 500 was when it reaches 90 damage. But now we're gonna load. Now we're gonna load the Bass Boogie approved version. Kabam! I'm going to try and hit this guy now. Wait, no, it has to be on the ground, otherwise there's no challenge. Sure. Why not let it be down there? Oh, there it is. There it is. Might be wondering, wow, you killed that person in cold blood so fast. How do you do it? Let me explain all the attachments for you. This, I just feel like it's really good. I did not notice all the negatives because it's just it's literally just a scope. I don't know why you're allowed to do the light barrel. It is a trashy thing on a sniper rifle. The bipod is just perfect, man. As you can see, bam, the big guns are here. This already is a big gun, right? Yeah. No tactical. Wait, no, there is a tactical. That. I just wanted less handling on it. No grip. Adjustable stock. Wait, why the adjustable stock? Oh, right, because who cares about movement speed, am I right? Hit double stuff, because who cares about reload time? I think I'm getting I think this is the thing that I'm getting cocky with. Definitely. A rushed reload. To pay back all that reload time. It was kind of hard to pick between never stop shooting, I'll admit. But reload time, dude. Of course, charm's always that big G. Big G. Okay. If I can snipe that zombie before it can get to me. That was embarrassing for sure. What about 5 zombies? Oh, wait, I didn't headshot all of them. Surely they're all gone, right? Yeah, I got them all. Now, can I hit this before it can hit me? Let's see. Hold on. Time to. Okay. I hit it. Yay! Oh, that's just inside. Oh shoot! 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 Get wrecked! I didn't even use the bipod. I'm gonna put it onto. I'm gonna put it onto sputter mode just to show you the effects of the bipod.
Video?
Yes. That, when using the bipod, this is the recoil pattern. Let's do it from like here. Let's do it from like here. Let's see it from right here. Yep. I don't even know how many meters this is. One recoil pattern with, yeah, bipod. I'm being such a nerd right now. Yeah, I feel so awkward. You have no idea. I'm just gonna rate it. The BFG, no mods, 5 out of 10. Oh my god. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Oh my god. That's Boogie approved version. 7. Good sniper. Okay, video over. Yee.